Hey guys, it was a long day today. I was not working in my shop. I was out on a job. But I got home. Well, you gotta check out the sunset first. Check it out. But anyways, I got home. Look at what was waiting. Nice big box from Summit. Let's open that up. Let's see what we've got in the box. So, a little bit of backstory. This is a 5-liter HO. Same motor that was in the Mustangs back in the day. And this particular one came out of a 1991 Mercury Cougar. It was a very low mileage engine when I got it. One thing I should mention is before this goes back to the engine builder, it might stop at the local machine shop after all. It needs new cam bearings, it's getting new cam bearings, and my buddy doesn't have the tool for that. That's pretty crucial from what I understand. So, machine shop might be putting in the cam bearings, they're going to look the block over, and they might hone the cylinders, deglaze the cylinders. I do have the flex hone. I'm going to ask them what they charge. If they charge more than the flex hone, then I'm just going to have my buddy do it. But before we dig into the box here, I do need to tell Tony from Chips and Sparks Garage, thanks a million. The guy really helped me out. He comments on some of my videos, and he obviously knows what he's talking about when it comes to these things. So Tony, thanks a million. I really appreciate your expertise. So we've got the Trickflow heads here, and complementing the Trickflow heads, we've got a new set of roller rockers from Trickflow also. 1:6 ratio. Trickflow tech support did help me out also. I called them and told them what I was running, what my expectations for the engine were, and the guy really helped me out. So this is the Trickflow cam. These can get pretty finicky too. I mean, you got to worry about valve clearance. Supposedly you start getting too much lift, and you have all kinds of problems. You've got to make sure the gear here is going to work with your distributor. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to know. The biggest lesson that I've learned so far during this whole process is that playing the horsepower game is expensive. I'm not going for anything wild. I mean, I just want a car that I can jump in and drive comfortably, that'll get up and go when I ask it to, and that'll be reliable. Every time I turn the key, I want it to start. Alright, we've got the flex hone, we've got the timing gear and chain, cam, roller rockers, heads. Let's see, we've got the head bolts that they said go with those heads. Felpro gasket kit for the entire engine. Rings, thermostat, assembly lube, all new freeze plugs. We've got all new rod bearings. Now I am retaining the factory pistons. Those are supposedly pretty good pistons from the factory. So we're just going to put new bearings in them, re-ring them, and we're going to run them. And then I've got the new main bearings and cam bearings. So we've got everything we need. This is going to head out the door, and I will keep you guys updated on the build progress. Alright, we're off with all the engine parts. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Exciting, getting all these parts sent back out again. And I'll keep you updated on the build progress. Stay tuned guys, and we'll see you on the next one.